how much dough you hold. 'Cause you know, you're trying to breed jealousy, especially if that mouth is up.
In 4.2 miles, turn right onto Silver Lake Road.
But listen, time to zip it, keep it close. My description, highly gifted, take some notes, yeah.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right.
With the knick-knack, say yo, get your chili up. Yeah, I meant that. Hey, black out, if they act out. Yeah, I did that. Hey, what's up, though? I hit him. Just hitting on them. Can they bump? I hit him. Hating on them. New Orleans with the educated LA yelling.
In 1.7 miles, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto In a 1/4 mile, turn right.
Hate to sound sleazy, but tease me. I don't want it if it's that easy. Hey yo, does it? Baby got a problem saying bye-bye. Just another habit of a fly guy. Your ass.
Hi.
The two of you?
Just the two of us, like the song.
Alright, you guys can follow me this way.
Hi. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Thanks.
You had a home run, did that happen all?
Guys want any appetizers or anything to start?
I don't think so. I think we're ready if you are.
Absolutely. What can I get for you?
He wants a small pizza with pepperoni mushroom. Think he'll be able to eat that himself?
Absolutely.
Pretty close, cool.
You guys want me to take your menus out of your way?
Yeah, I think we're good there.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
All right, thanks a lot.